guys, welcome to this week's video. I am super excited about this one because if there's one type of video that I love watching and filming, it would be a Primark haul, and that is what I've got for you guys today, and I am super excited. And this is not something I would say very lightly. I literally think this is my favourite Primark haul ever. Like, I found so many good bits that you probably think were from places like Topshop, Outfitters. There's so many little bits that I got that I want to add to my wardrobe as staples. I had like a massive clear out the other day and I got rid of so much stuff and I wanted a huge refresh, and this Primark haul is over 3 trips, so there will be some items that don't have price tags on because I've already worn them and used them, but some do because I went today and picked up a few new bits and I have enough to film a haul. So yeah, so if you guys want to see all those bits and what I'm going to do with them, then carry on watching. So the first thing I want to show you is probably fashiony bits, and I went in there mainly for clothes, like clothes staples for spring summer, because I do love winter but only for Christmas, and autumn for Halloween and just the kind of leaves. I don't really like them as seasons, except autumn maybe. Autumn's pretty good, but spring and summer are my favourite seasons. I think spring is like my ultimate favourite, not only because my birthday is in May, but it's just like the right temperature, so you can wear light clothes but still kind of layer up in a way. So the first thing that deemed to be a piece of clothing that would be perfect for spring with light layers is this t-shirt. This was £5 and it's actually similar to a t-shirt I saw in Monkey, and I think this is actually cheaper than one in Monkey, and it's just plain red and has hey on the side, and this was actually the last one in smaller sizes. You only had 16s and 14s, so I was very lucky to find this hidden amongst them. And I feel like it's very trendy at the moment to have plain bright t-shirts with a slogan or one word on it, and I thought this was amazing. It's so very fashionable, and it's just got stitch up, rolled up sleeves here, and I thought this would go well with my dungarees, my culottes, and mum jeans, just about anything, and plus my shorts as well for the summer. So I got that, and I'm starting to really like red as a colour now, since I bought the red scarf from my autumn haul, which I'll link here for you guys to see my last Primark haul. I got that and I've just been obsessed with wearing red since then, so it definitely was worth the purchase. The next items are actually for work. If you guys don't know, I work for Lush and we have to wear black and white obviously to keep in with branding, and I don't mind because black and white are very versatile colours, so I can easily wear these on my days off with other pieces of clothing. So I just bought some trousers and the top. I just got this plain stripy black and white top which I can wear with my sort of pinafore dress that's black, my culottes for work, what else, my skirts, my leggings, basically anything. And this was £3. It's part of their Stretch Crew like basic t-shirt range, and they had loads of them, and I just wanted something that was simple, plain, but also different because I actually really like stripes. And I bought a stripy top from Primark previously and I thought it was black and white, but it turned out to be a weird dark navy and white, so I couldn't wear it to work. And the next one is probably Seanies, because they're a huge trend right now, and it's these sort of, I wouldn't say stripy, it's like, you know, that sort of granddaddy sort of style trousers. You've probably seen them in like Zara already in Primark, but these are like a black and white version, and they were, I think they were £13, and it looks like a pair of culottes with the wide leg, but but they're actually really tight fitted around the waist and they just go out at the end, which I think is quite nice, especially if you're wearing quite sort of like a flowy crop top over it. And they are a bit long, they do kind of go down to my feet, but I wear boots for them, so they sort of lift up a bit so they're not dragging on the floor. But I think that's kind of like a nice look, and they fit really nicely. I've got a size 8 and they don't have a gap at the back, which sometimes trousers usually do with me if they don't have elasticated waist. But this is, I think, elasticated all the way around. So yeah, got those. And the last pair of trousers is actually a pair of culottes. These were £8 and these were very popular because there was hardly any left on the rail, and there were also 16s as well, and there was like 1/8 left as well. And it's this sort of stripy, really lightweight material culottes. These are literally my dream culottes. I love my navy striped ones from Munich, and I really wanted to get some for the summer. And I think these will go with my plainer summery tops that are like plain white with like a slogan on, or just lightweight t-shirts that aren't too busy. This is sort of nice and warm colour to wear, and I just imagine myself wearing this on days out with the family or friends in central London, going on days out to like Brighton, aka my favourite seaside city ever. And I do want to go to Margate and Eastbourne again in my life sometime, and I could just imagine myself walking down the seafront with these and an ice cream in my hand. Do really want to go to Margate after seeing Zoe and Mark go. It made me remember that the last time I went, I was too young to remember, and it wasn't regenerated, and now they've regenerated and opened Dreamland again. I really want to go, especially roller skating. That looks very fun. The last fashion-y bit is actually a handbag, and I did a blog post on it, which I'll link in the description down below so you guys can look at it a bit more in detail. And basically the story of my life is I love bags that are designer and I can't afford them, so every single designer bag I like the Mulberry Lily, the Gucci Disco, the Gucci quilted crossbody that I can't pronounce the name of, they are all like £500 up to £1,000, and that is basically all my money gone. And I know in theory I could save up really hard and treat myself, but it makes me feel really guilty parting with that money. So I've decided to stay away from designer bags for the minute and find dupes. And this Primark one, I can't believe I saw it. It was one of the last few ones. Everything I'm finding in this haul is the last few, which shows how popular it is, and it is a dupe of the disco crossbody and the quilted one that I can't pronounce, and it is this red crossbody bag, and I absolutely love it. What I prefer about this one to the Gucci ones is that it's got a chain and then it goes into red fake suede leather material. The actual official Gucci ones are just full on leather, and it's got a nice quilted front with little gold studs, which I think is actually really nice finish, and it's really good size, and I feel like I've managed to fit everything I need and like slightly more into this. So it's a really good size, and you might not look it, but you can fit a lot in it. And it has the tassel that's on the disco one. Obviously it's not high quality, this obviously is Primark, so you won't get really high quality tassels, but it adds that extra something, and it's like the disco bag. And guess how much this was, guys? Guess how much this was? £8 freaking for this, and I feel like I could have paid £40 of this in Topshop. As soon as I saw this, I was like, I need this in my life. It's got gold on it, it's red. I need to add a pop of colour to my wardrobe with bags, especially crossbody. I've only got black crossbody bags, and I want to show you guys the inside quickly. Take this out. It's literally just black and plain with an inside pocket. And if you guys want to see what I actually keep in this bag, do leave a like and comment. Take all my money Primark in the comments down below, and I will know that you guys want to see what's in my bag. I will do like a spring edition, and yeah, I just love it so much. Okay, enough rambling on about this bag because I'm already on like 12 minutes and I haven't even got halfway through. So the next section is homeware. If there's one thing I head straight to Primark, it's the homeware section, because I feel like every single season they've drastically improved their collection, and this is probably the best spring summer homeware collection I have probably ever seen. Like, they really hit the nail on the head with it. They got rose golds, they got plants, they got really cool cushions, they have amazing candles, and it's gonna fit like with my theme of my room. I'm trying to keep it minimalistic but also quite green because I like my fake plants, as you can see, and I've got so many. It's unreal, and I love rose gold and copper, and I know it's such a blogger thing to say, but I generally do.
One eternity later.
Let's show you the first bit. So this cushion, the fluffiest cushion I've ever seen, and I've never had a fluffy cushion, and I think it's about time I got one because this was £3, and all the really soft fluffy cushions I've seen are from like Urban Outfitters, and they've been like stupid like amounts of money, which is like £20, £30, and this was £3, and I got it from the Oxford Circus store. This is where all the homeware bits are from today, and I needed it. It's like a grey, dark grey, whitey, dirty white. I'm very good at explaining colours, aren't I? But it would go well with every single duvet and the cushions I've got currently, which are coppery gold and a little moustache cushion. And I thought I want to build my collection of little cushions to make my room more cozy and homely, and this was my dream cushion right on the street, and I can't stop stroking it and hugging it. I want to hug it forever. The last bit. I want to do up my top shelf. Feel like I've really finished the current ones down below. I bought this to have like as the centerpiece of that shelf, just to like make a theme, because my whole theme of my shelves is copper, plants and lights, and this would go so well. It's this, which was £5, which is amazing. It's got a rose gold finish, and I just love the prints. I know you could probably put your own photos in there, but these, I just love the photos, especially individually. Like, I love that print of that leaf. That leaf is my whole aesthetic. I've got black and white, and then you got keep life simple quote, and this little cacti, which is basically the type of photos I have on my Pinterest. So this is like my Pinterest and Tumblr in a framed print board thing from Primark, and it's amazing. And the other thing I bought, which was £6, which you won't believe because even my mum was shocked, and it's massive, and this probably cost you £20 in Urban Outfitters, and you can see the top, and it looks quite real. I'm shocked, and it's this plant. Look at it! This is the most amazing plant ever, and it's in a really nice marble plant pot, and this was £6. Yeah, I was right. And it's like aloe vera, and aloe veras are my favourite plant. I've actually got one on my bedside table, which is actually real, and you literally don't need to water it that much. And I wanted a fake one because I haven't seen any real ones that I like so far, and I want to keep it quite fake because if I get too many real plants, I'll forget to water them and they will die. So fake ones are the safest bet, I think. And those will go on my top shelf and I'll probably get a couple bits as months go on, which you'll probably see in my next Primark haul, March, April, May time, that span of time. That is everything I picked up from Primark. If you guys love this video, give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and don't forget to click notification down below because I will be doing more Primark hauls in the future, that's for sure, because they are my favourite videos ever, like I said at the beginning of the video, and I'm really happy with what I picked up. Even though it's taken like 3 visits, collectively it's probably my favourite haul ever. And what is this on my... Okay, it's a bit cardboard. I thought it was like a cabin on my leg, it looked like it. Hope you guys have an amazing week, and I will see you all next week for another video, which will hopefully be a makeup one, because I want to show you guys a makeup look that I've really been loving recently, and it includes a new product in there that I'm going to show you guys, so keep your eyes peeled for that, and I will see you soon.